Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1972 Chevelle. This one here has a $396 under the hood with about $7,000 in paperwork on the motor. It's got power steering. Definitely tell it's canned up. This is going to be a strong motor with a 5-speed transmission. Also got aftermarket wheels and tires on this car with front disc brakes. A beautiful paint job. And we're going to be going over that in a walk around video, checking out the exterior, the interior, and underneath. So be sure to watch both videos if you're interested in this ride. Also check out maplemotors.com to see all of our inventory. We update every week with new cars. And of course, right here we do test drives and walk-arounds pretty much daily. So hit that subscribe button. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, I like to look around the interiors, kind of check some stuff out. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? It's a little game we like to play. Looking across the dash, pretty good shape. We got the 5-speed transmission. We'll go ahead and start her up. Does start up nice and easy. The seats are in great shape. Interior looks pretty clean. That's my bag back there with all the gear. You can see all my gear below in the description if you're interested in buying it. I got majority of this stuff to make the video off of Amazon. Windshield wipers, they deleted the blades, but you can see the nubs are still there and they're still spinning, so you can put blades back on it. They got that fan on high now and it's not working, so needs a blower motor, no AC. Radio, I don't think the radio's working on this. We got a full tank of gas in this car. Engine temperature starting to climb up. We'll watch that. Clock, not working. Coming around, show you the miles. You can't stand behind it because this is a 72 model. It used to be a column shift car with a bench seat. Tach coming up. Horn, no horn on this one. All right, getting ready to take off down the road. Let's see how she drives. All right, so we're getting ready to take off down the road. Anything that I see that's wrong with this car, I will let you know. That's why I do these videos. This is the first time I've driven this car. It's supposed to be pretty fast, so. Steering's nice and smooth. Feels pretty good. Just kind of barely getting into it. Speedometer's coming up, reading correct. Steering's really tight. Car's kind of drifting to the left a little bit. It could be the road though. Try it again. Just barely. We have to be lined up a little bit. Brakes. Do got a big can. The brakes are there, they feel okay. I think a vacuum pump would help this car a lot. I actually added one to my personal Chevelle just the other day. Let's try that 5th gear out. Yeah, she's got some power. hear the turn signals, but they're not blinking on the dash here. The left side is. I think we just got a bulb issue there. Okay, we made it around the block. We're gonna go over here to this parking lot, get some outside shots. I'm gonna drive over the camera, light the undercarriage up, and we'll get back on the road. If you wanna see what I use to make these videos, look below in the description. I have Amazon links to everything. Yeah, them brakes, they're stopping, but they feel stiff, and a vacuum pump should help. Try that again. Yeah, they're stopping pretty fast. Cam's just pulling down on them. I love the way this feels when I'm shifting. Nice and smooth. That cam lunge. Okay, let's get these outside shots and try to have a little fun with it. Okay, so I've been circling around this parking lot. Engine temperature's right at 200. It's idling great. This car's got a lot of power. Get my seatbelt on. I lost my dealer tag. I just got a call that it was ran over a few times. This car just shook a dealer tag off. We got some magnet tags we put on there, but I rarely ever have them fall off. This thing's pretty sweet, guys. It's got me thinking, because I love the 5-speed setup. I've got the same year Chevelle in an automatic. Be a lot cooler to have this with a 5-speed in it. Pretty slick car. clutch pedal there. Feels decent on it. It feels tight, but a little bit loose at the same time. You have to drive it to see what I'm talking about. I think it's something in the suspension. It's going to travel a little bit. I don't know if we ever tried the horn. It doesn't work. I think I forgot to do that. Sorry about that, guys. Let me open her up here. Just wants to spin. Got to keep her straight, that's for sure. That was every gear it started spinning. She's definitely got some motor work done. There was a bunch of receipts. They come with the car. But he said it was around $7 grand worth of motor work to this car. Just ripping. We made it back to the lot. We're gonna do a walk around of this car here in just a moment, but it's real late in the day. I haven't ate any lunch, so I'm gonna run in there and grab that, and then I'll go ahead and do this walk around. Appreciate y'all riding along with me. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, if you have any other questions, join us at maplemotors.com. I have shipping, financing, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories available. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. I got plenty of cars to do today. You see the Cuda sitting in the background there, the Chevelle sitting right over here. All this is going on, and it'll be on the website by the time you see this video, right here at maplemotors.com. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Thanks for sharing. That helps us out greatly. And I'll see you in the next video. Later, guys.